Hi everybody, welcome to ChinesePod. I'm Joy.
And I'm Joe.
And today we're going to talk all about the heart. That's this character here, Xin.
Xin.
So the pinyin is X-I-N, first tone, Xin.
Xin. So yeah, we are talking about hearts and everything that is related to this sign. This can actually mean your physical heart, like our heart, or it can be the center of something. And of course, it's used for various emotions. Because emotions are all related to our heart, right?
Mm-hmm. So you can also see this word in the middle of a character. So if you see a character and you're like, hey, I see in the middle there's this word xing, that means it's something related to your emotions or related to your heart. All right, let's get to it. Everything about the heart. Let's go. Okay, let's get started. So the first word when you hear xing, it's always related to our physical heart. So our physical heart is in the center, close to the center of our bodies. That's 心脏. 心脏.
心脏.
And 脏 here is organ. So your 心脏 is your heart organ. So the physical heart that pumps.
So 脏 can be referring to many organs, right?
Exactly.
Okay. And 心 is like the heart organ, as you just said. 心脏.
心脏. This is a hard word, but don't worry about it. It's just an organ. Okay. And we've also got 心跳.
心跳. 跳 is to jump. So 心跳 means your heartbeat, because like it's your heart is jumping. Your
heart
boom,
jump.
boom, 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 boom. Is it right? It should be here, right? Boom,
Yeah.
boom, boom, boom. Somewhere.
So I can say, Joe, 你的心跳好快.
Oh, my heartbeat is very fast. Yeah, it's because I'm sitting next to you, of course.
So I can say, 我的心跳也很快. My heartbeat is also very fast. Okay, now I'm gonna give you one that's sad.
Okay, so from happy and excited to sad?
Yeah.
Okay.
心痛.
心痛, which means 痛 is like a pain. So 心痛 could, like heartbreak, heart pain. And it can be used for both physical and emotional pain, right?
Yeah. Usually when we say 你心痛 or 我心痛, it's your heart broken, but we know that when we're very sad, our actual heart actually hurts and we cry and we can't breathe. So that's where heartbreak comes from in English and 心痛 comes in Chinese. All right, let's recap those words and repeat it again after me. The first one is 心脏. 心脏. That's your physical heart. The second one we have 心跳. 心跳. That's our heartbeat. And the third one, super sad, 心痛. 心痛. That's heartbreak. Okay, so the second way we want to use 心 is not our physical heart, but as a center. And as we know, our physical heart is in the center of the body, or it runs the entire body. So the word for center is 中心.
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 And 中 means
Middle.
middle. So your middle heart is a center. What are some centers we have?
中心, for example, sports center. 运动中心.
That's right. 运动 is sports. 中心 center. 运动中心. What else?
City center.
Oh.
市中心.
市中心. So 市 is the short version of 城市, which means city. So we say city center. 市中心. And we have one more. The most common one that people visit. 购物中心, shopping center. Of course.
Yes.
购物 means
Shopping. And 中心, as you know already, the center of something. 中心.
all right, so we have our center, which is middle heart. 中心. 中心. Okay, so heart obviously has to do with emotions and feelings. So I'll give you the word for feeling or mood. That's 心情. 心情. Do you know 情 from anywhere else?
Like for 情绪.
情绪.
Like mood?
Exactly. So 情绪 is your mood or emotion. So 情, 心情, your heart feeling.
Oh, so it's 心, my heart, and 情 in general has the meaning of feeling or emotion, right? So heart, emotion, heart feeling, and that becomes, what
Your
did you say?
mood.
Mood.
心情. So I could say, Joe, 你心情好吗?
Whether my mood is good? 我 心情好啊。
很好, that's good. Or you can say, Joe, 你今天心情不好. It could be a question, a statement, to comment on somebody's feeling or somebody's mood, or to ask how they are, how they feel. So in English, it's like, how are you feeling today?
Yep.
And then 心情好, good. 心情不好, feeling sad. Okay, and then now I'll give you another word with the word heart. That's 开心.
Oh.
开心. So 开心 is very happy or just happy.
Because kai means open and xin heart, so like open your heart and then you feel happy.
Exactly.
开心.
开心. Never say that with a frown. 我很开心. So we've talked about the physical heart and we've talked about our emotions. 心 can also be used to describe things that you can do which are related to your heart.
Okay.
Okay, so I've got one example for you. That's 关心.
关心. Okay, we just said 开心, so kai is open heart, and 关 is to close something. 关心, close my heart, so I'm sad.
Actually, 关 is the other meaning of close, that we're really close.
Oh, like in English, like to close something, but you can be very close as well.
Exactly. So 关心, the word 关 comes from 关系. 关系 is relationship. So if you're 关心, it's like you have a relationship with and you care for somebody with your heart. So that
Okay.
means to care for.
关心, so like put my heart close to somebody else.
Yeah.
So I care about him
Yeah.
or her.
Yeah, exactly. Closely care within your heart. Okay, so I can say, Joe, 我很关心你的健康.
Oh,
我很关心你的健康.
so you care about my health? Well, I'm
Very
fine. I think
much.
I'm fine. I'm okay.
好，下一个 next one, I have 放心，放心。
放心. 放 means to put. Like put your heart.
To place your heart.
Place your heart somewhere. And we used it to actually say, like to rest, to like to not
yeah.
care too
Yeah,
much.
don't worry.
Don't worry. Yeah.
Yeah,
like
rest
just
your heart.
Rest your heart. Put it down. Just leave it. Don't care too much.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
你放心. It's okay. It's like you just leave your heart. Don't worry about it. 你放心. Okay, so now I have a word for you that means small heart. That's 小心.
小心. So small heart, but it does not mean like narrow-hearted, narrow-minded, or stubborn, or anything like that. It actually means to be cautious, like to have a small heart. Be cautious about something.
So when you say small heart, the small sort of means careful, meticulous. So you're taking a lot of care. So it's more like delicate rather than physically small. So I can say, 你要小心. You must be careful. Or we can say, 小心点儿，有车.
Oh, so when we cross the road or something, 小心点儿，有车.
There are cars, be careful. Okay, so I've got a final word for you, and I really like this one. That's 点心.
点心. So 点 is when you order something. So like I want to order a cake or something. 我要点蛋糕. Okay, but 点心, order your heart. That's probably not what it is, right?
点心 is snack. So, a snack is an order of your heart?
That's weird.
Actually, 点 is a little bit. So, 一
Okay,
点
yeah, 一点点, 一点儿.
点儿. So, a little bit. So, I can say 点心 is a little bit, a piece of your heart, or a little bit of heart that I'm giving to you by making you a snack,
Oh,
or delivering you a snack.
getting a little piece of the cook's heart or something, just as a
Yeah,
present.
yeah, or like as a present and intention. So originally, 点心 is the snack that's meant to be a gift. So a general had presented some cakes or cookies to his soldiers to thank them for their hard work.
Oh, so as a present, I give you like a little bit of my heart, and that became snack.
Exactly.
点心.
点心.
So now we talked a lot about hearts, and we had different categories. The first category was our actual physical heart, which was
心脏.
心脏. And because our heart is in the center of our body, normally the word heart can be found in words that are related to centers. For example, center in general means
中心
中心 or city center.
市中心
市中心. And of course, you can find the word heart, 心, in many words that are related to emotions. So, for example, the word mood was
心情
心情. When we are really happy, it was 开心.
开心
And we had some words that we can kind of do with our heart, right? For example,
关心
关心,
which was to care for, or 放心, to not be worried about.
and 小心,
Be careful.
careful. And the most important thing,
点
点心.
I think I need a snack
Yeah,
right about
me
now.
too.
Okay, and that's it for today. I'm Joy.
And I'm Joe.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
ChinesePod.